Powder coating contributes about $11 billion every year to the $155 billion coatings world. That's only about 12% of the market and 2,600 kilotons of powder free of toxic, messy solvents. As custom coaters, we know it's one of the biggest selling points to our industry. So why doesn't the average consumer searching for green products know more about these safer, more green finishes? Today, we speak with Andrew Pace, a green coating specialist that helps everyday people find sustainable solutions for healthier environments in their homes and businesses. He covers the single most important way we can market ourselves to get the word out better to attract new business. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.